Welcome everybody. This week is really awesome because we're at one of our favorite events of the whole entire year, Skooliepalooza. We lived in an RV for 4 years when we first got on the road, and then we built out a schoolie about 3.5 years ago, kind of on a whim, and had no idea what was in store for us or even how much we were going to absolutely love it. Here we are getting to enjoy the best parts of living in a schoolie. Here's a few adventures that got us to Skooliepalooza this year. So the two main reasons why I love schoolies the most is, first of all, because you can custom build them to fit whatever your needs are, whatever your vibe is, whatever you want it to look like. And you'll never find two schoolies that look the same. They're all so uniquely fit to whoever the person is that built them. And it's really easy to get it to reflect your personality. So when you walk into someone's schoolie, it's like you are just seeing their personality in their home, which is really cool. So these are some of our favorite builds that are here at Skooliepalooza this year. number 2 is the community. I have never experienced anything like this, especially since we've been on the road. It's crazy how easy it is to make like instant lifelong friends when it's someone else who lives in a schoolie, because nobody really gets schoolie life like other people that are doing it. And it doesn't matter what your background is, what your beliefs are, where you come from. It's so beautiful to see how everybody just comes together and shares food and stories and life and burdens together. It's just a beautiful thing. Thank you so much for watching this video and for following our journey with us. It's really fun to be able to share our life with you all. Please make sure that you follow us on our social media if you haven't checked out our Instagram. That's where we invest a lot of our time, so you can check out our videos and reels on there and keep up with what we're doing. We also have merch on our website if you want to check that out as well. Patreon is one of our favorite platforms. It's just a really fun way for us to be able to have a give and take with our audience and our friends and our fans. We get to share exclusive content with people that are subscribers, but no matter what, whether you're a Patreon or a follower of Instagram or not, we're just really grateful that you stopped by and watched this video. Thanks again. We hope to see you somewhere on the road or online.